faulty sensor right out of the box, unhelpful and dismissive. Menus are a mess. The Fujifilm X100 VI costs around $2,300. That's quite an investment, which makes it especially important to check out what other people who have bought think about it. And this video features real reviews from verified Amazon customers, people who have actually bought and used this product. We've gone through every star rating so that we can find out whether the Fujifilm X100 VI is actually worth the money. We'll start with the glowing 5-star reviews. Customers are absolutely loving the Fujifilm X100 VI for its image quality, portability, and nostalgic design. One reviewer called it the perfect street photography camera and praised its compact size and stunning image output. Another buyer shared, "It's the most fun I've had with a camera in years," emphasizing how it reignited the passion for photography. A frequent traveler said, "This is now my everyday carry. I have ditched my bulky DSLR," noting how it fits perfectly into daily routines without compromising quality. Many users appreciated the hybrid viewfinder and film simulations, with one writing, "The film simulations are magical. They make even mundane scenes look cinematic." Others applauded the build quality. "Feels like a premium device, solid and beautifully crafted." Across the board, these reviews share one sentiment: the X100 VI is a joy to shoot with. Now moving on to the 4-star reviews. These users were mostly very satisfied but had a few minor caveats. Several praised the image quality and portability but wished for better battery life. One reviewer said, "Battery life is decent but could be better for all-day shoots." Another noted, "The learning curve. Amazing camera, but it takes a bit to understand all the settings." Some users mentioned the price. "You pay a premium, but it delivers." Autofocus also comes up a few times. Most found it accurate, but slightly sluggish in low light. Still, the praise was strong. One review summed it up perfectly: "It's a great piece of kit if you can live with a few quirks." Then we have 3-star reviews, a mix of admiration and hesitation. A common thread was that while the X100 VI has outstanding capabilities, it may not be for everyone. One reviewer said, "I wanted to love it, but I found myself going back to my phone camera." Another commented, "The hype is real, but it didn't quite live up to it for me." Price was again mentioned as a sticking point, too expensive for what it is. Some users had trouble adapting to the fixed lens, saying not being able to zoom or swap lenses limits flexibility. Others felt the interface could be more intuitive. Overall, these users saw the potential but found that it didn't fully meet their expectations. On to the 2-star reviews, where disappointment starts to outweigh satisfaction. Several buyers criticized the autofocus system. "It's slow and hunts too much," wrote one. Another complained, "Low light performance is just not up to par." A few users felt misled by the marketing, expecting more from the price point. One said, "I thought I was getting a premium product, but it feels overhyped." Build quality was occasionally questioned too, with a reviewer noting, "Nice designs, but the buttons feel mushy." And usability issues cropped up. "Menus are a mess," another buyer noted. These reviews point to a mismatch between expectations and reality. Finally, the scary 1-star reviews, the harshest critiques. Several users were frustrated with product availability and shipping issues. "Waited 2 months and it arrived with a defect," one buyer lamented. Another complained, "Mine had a faulty sensor right out of the box." Customer service also took hits, with one saying Fujifilm support was unhelpful and dismissive. Others found the user experience clunky, menus are archaic, and it's not user-friendly. And some just didn't see the value, completely overrated for the price. I returned it. These are important red flags for potential buyers. So what's the final verdict on the Fujifilm X100 VI? If you're a photography enthusiast who values portability, image quality, and a tactile shooting experience, this camera could be a dream come true for you. It's ideal for street photographers, travelers, and hobbyists who appreciate the look and feel of a classic camera with modern tech inside. But if you're looking for a camera that's ultra versatile, beginner friendly, or budget conscious, you might want to think twice. The fixed lens, the premium price, and some usability quirks could leave you disappointed. If the X100 VI didn't check every box for you, you might want to check out the Ricoh GR IIIx, Sony RX100 VII, or the Canon EOS R50. We put the links to the Fujifilm X100 VI and the other options in the description. So that's it. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, drop a comment if you have used this camera, and don't forget to subscribe to Up on Top. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.